Yeah, so I got this supply from Jumia, right? And I want you guys to observe I want you guys to observe the on button. This is, you can see, this is 120 watts. This is 5 liter capacity, extra large capacity air fryer. Okay, so um like someone asked me what's the brand. I said, well, I don't know. This is not your Silver Crest, nor your, those brands. It's not, because if it is, it will be more expensive than this. Like Silver Crest of this is like 39,000 plus, 38, 39,000 plus. But this is 29k plus. This is approximately 30k. Okay, so, and sometimes it's not all about brand. Are you getting the same quality, the same function? That's what you should pray for. Because sometimes these brand people, it's just name. They're just now living in the glory of their, in the glory of their name, in their past glory. The product may not even be of high performance. I have bought a Silver Crest heavy blender that I had to look away to sell off because it was not even giving me to even blend beans and crush beans like what they usually show us was the wahala. This material. Okay, so most important thing is for this thing to serve me. If it works very well and it's this cheap, not too cheap though, then I'm happy. Because from what I read on the review, you go to review and read before you buy some certain things. So from what I saw through the review, it should be good. It should be good. I pray it is good. I don't want to destroy this carton in case and we need to sell it off. Because if I buy stuffs and I use them, I don't like them. I put them up for sale. And I explain to anybody who is interested in buying. Ooh. Wow. Yeah, another thing is that I liked the color. When I saw this color, I liked it. It was one of the reasons I also didn't bother about it. Okay. Wow. This is big. So yeah, this is it. And This is the timing, as instruction. This is off. So I put the timing and I just put it on off now. When you go off this way again, these are different degrees of the temperature you can choose. So let me put it on 80 and um, just put this thing somewhere. Let me just plug it and let's see. I hope that this thing, Jesus. Oh, God. I'm going to go change this. It's not compatible. Ah, guys, we can't test this now. I'll need to change this. I'll need to change this plug. It's not compatible with the socket. Look the way they did it. These people, they should know that sometimes they are moving things to Nigeria. Yeah? Use it. Anyway, this is it, guys. I just decided to show you.